Today we're gonna talk about the pomegranate tree. This tree in winter will be dormant during the cold period, while in summer it bursts back to life. This tree first will grow back its leaves and then develops its flowers. Now a common misconception is it drops a lot of flowers. Mostly these flowers are dropped because some of them are male flowers, while others, the remaining ones, are female flowers. Obviously male flowers are only needed to fertilize, while the female flowers are needed to develop fruit, like here. I will put another video how to recognize the flowers. These trees are if you let them grow on their own, they are very bushy. They can be used for privacy, to close around the garden, as a hedge. But always remember that these trees, even though they are not cacti, they have a few spines. These are more prominent during winter, when the tree is dormant. They are a bit sharp and they can hurt a lot. I'll show you. This tree, as you most know, pomegranates are very healthy fruit. They can be juiced or eaten fresh. The tree is very drought tolerant. They are able to survive in desert temperature, and obviously they still produce fruit. But if you are growing them for the fruit, it's obviously better to water them regularly. You have to, by regularly I mean you have to check the soil so that it is still humid from one irrigation to the next. Here we are in tropical temperatures, and so we have to irrigate twice a week for the soil to remain humid. We don't need the soil to remain soggy, only humid. If you have a chance to grow it, take it. These trees can be easily grown by cuttings or bought from the shops. From cutting, you just cut a piece and sow it during winter when the tree is dormant. Okay, thank you.